Is the Tri-Valley and San Ramon Valley housing market finally cooling off? Or are buyers about to face another competitive spring? Today, I'm breaking down exactly what's happening right now in the real estate markets in San Ramon, Dublin, Pleasanton, Livermore, and Danville, including where prices are moving, where inventory is rising, and which cities are still seeing multiple offers. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in the Tri-Valley and San Ramon Valley this year, the trends happening right now could make a big difference in your strategy. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. Hi everyone, this is Adam Golden with Compass, and welcome to my monthly update on the real estate market here in the Tri-Valley and San Ramon Valley areas. Now, if you like content like this and more, don't forget to subscribe below. Let's jump right into things. The biggest theme right now is that the market is actually normalizing compared to the last few years. We're starting to see inventory increase slightly as we head into the spring market, and this is pretty typical for this time of the year. Now, across the Tri-Valley, cities like Pleasanton, Dublin, Livermore, San Ramon, and Danville have all seen an increase in the number of homes coming on the market compared to the start of the year. Now, even though inventory is increasing, it is important to understand that we're still not at historically high levels. What we're really seeing is a shift from the extremely tight inventory that we had over the last few years to something that appears for the time being to be a bit more balanced. Now, in previous months, I always had more of a statistical breakdown to show you with graphs. For this month, I'm going to talk more generally about what is happening in each Tri-Valley city. Now let's start with the cities of San Ramon and Pleasanton. For San Ramon, compared to last year, prices are actually slightly softer and homes are taking a little bit longer to sell. Now what this means in practical terms is that buyers have actually had a little bit more time to make decisions. Sellers need to price their homes correctly, and well-prepared homes are actually still selling quickly. Now when a home is updated, well located, and priced correctly, we're actually still seeing multiple offers and prices over the asking. Moving over to the Pleasanton side, the market actually remains one of the strongest in the Tri-Valley. Pleasanton continues to benefit from highly rated schools, a strong downtown area, and easy access to job centers and freeway. And because of that, move-in ready homes are actually still very competitive, especially in the $1.5 to $2 million price range. Now let's head over to Dublin and Livermore. Starting with Dublin, we're actually seeing continued demand, especially for newer construction and homes close to BART and major commuting routes. Dublin tends to attract a lot of first-time buyers and tech professionals, and many of those buyers are actually very sensitive to interest rates. So when rates move even slightly, we often see buyer activity increase quickly. Now over in Livermore, the market continues to be strong because of what essentially it offers. Slightly more affordable price points compared to Pleasanton and San Ramon, a great downtown area that's really bustling, wineries, and outdoor lifestyle. Now, Livermore has also been seeing steady demand from buyers looking for more space and value. In the starter home price range specifically, we are seeing multiple offers and homes go for over the asking. Our fifth Tri-Valley city, Danville, let's talk about them. So they actually continue to be one of the most desirable communities in the entire East Bay. Danville typically attracts more of a move-up buyer, a luxury buyer, and people actually looking for larger lots and more space. The luxury segment has actually slowed slightly compared to the peak years, but well-located homes in Danville still attract strong interest. Now I'm going to shift over to discussing interest rates and buyer behavior. One of the biggest factors affecting the market right now continues to actually be interest rates. Even small changes in rates can have a major impact on affordability. For example, a drop of less than 1% in mortgage rates can save buyers hundreds of dollars per month, depending on the loan size. And because of that, when rates move down even a little bit, we tend to see buyers re-enter the market quickly. So what the heck does this all mean essentially for sellers and buyers? Well, for sellers, if you're thinking about selling, the key things right now are pricing correctly, preparing the home property, marketing the home aggressively, And homes that check most of these boxes are still going to sell well. The homes that struggle are typically the ones that are overpriced or not properly prepared for the market. And what does this mean for buyers? Well, for buyers, this is actually a much healthier market than we saw in a few years ago. You may have slightly more inventory, less extreme bidding wars, and more time to evaluate homes. But I will say, when a great property comes on the market, you are still going to need to move quickly. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate anywhere in the San Ramon, Dublin, Pleasanton, Livermore or Danville areas, or even the surrounding areas, I'd be happy to walk you through your specific situation. Every home in every neighborhood is a little bit different, and strategy matters. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next market update. Until next time.